The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. Most people have just one, a paycheck. This video reveals exactly why that single paycheck is a psychological cage. Understanding this is the difference between trading time for money and building lasting wealth. A steady paycheck feels like safety, but it's actually a carefully designed illusion. Your employer deposits money every 2 weeks, and your brain releases dopamine. This chemical reward trains you to associate a single income source with security. That dopamine hit creates a loop. You work, you get paid, you feel relief. Work, pay, relief. Over years, this loop hardwires your brain to avoid anything that threatens the cycle, like starting a business or investing in assets. Here's the brutal math. If you earn $30 an hour, every hour you're not working costs you $30. This forces a scarcity mindset. You start calculating the cost of sleep, vacations, even time with your kids, all in lost wages. Scarcity shrinks your cognitive bandwidth. Studies show financial worry drops IQ by 13 points, the equivalent of losing a full night's sleep. You become worse at long-term planning. The paycheck doesn't just limit your money, it limits your mind. This is what wealthy people call golden handcuffs. Benefits, 401k matches, and a regular salary feel like freedom, but they're actually the bars of a very comfortable prison. Each perk adds another lock. But here's where it gets interesting. Most people think a job is low risk. A paycheck every 2 weeks? What could be safer? Yet having one income source is actually the riskiest financial position possible. One layoff wipes out everything. Financial advisors preach diversification for your investments. Spread stocks, bonds, real estate, but they rarely mention the most critical diversification: income streams. A diversified portfolio with one income source is still a house of cards. A traditional career is a 40-year bet on a single company or industry. You're gambling that your skills stay relevant, your company stays profitable, and your health holds up. The wealthy never make that bet. They spread risk across multiple ventures. Earned income. Your paycheck is taxed at the highest rate, up to 37% federally, plus state taxes. Meanwhile, capital gains and business income enjoy lower rates and deductions. The system is literally designed to keep W-2 employees paying more. Wealthy people use leverage. They borrow money to buy assets that generate cash flow. Employees trade time, the least scalable resource. You can't leverage an hour. You can only sell it once. That's the fundamental ceiling on your income. Millionaires think in terms of ownership. They ask, what asset can I build or buy that pays me while I sleep? Employees think in terms of wages. How much can I get for my time? Two completely different operating systems. The first step out of the trap is recognizing the cage. Most people never do. They blame their salary, their boss, the economy. But the real prison is the belief that a paycheck equals security. That belief is the lock. Here's a concrete number: $1,000. That's all you need to start a microbusiness, not a full-time venture, a side project. Sell a digital product, offer a service, flip items online. The goal isn't to replace your income. It's to prove you can generate money outside a paycheck. That first $100 earned outside your job does something profound. It rewires your brain. You realize money doesn't only come from an employer. It can come from value you create directly. This is the moment the cage door cracks open. Wealthy people build skill stacks, combinations of abilities that are rare and valuable. An employee who learns sales, marketing, and basic coding isn't just an employee anymore. They're a potential founder. Skills are the raw material of income streams. Benjamin Franklin, Oprah Winfrey, and Bill Gates all follow one pattern: at least 5 hours per week of deliberate learning. Not passive reading, active study. This compounds over years. The wealthy invest in their mind before their portfolio. Your income tends to mirror the average of your 5 closest friends. If they all rely on paychecks, that's your baseline. Wealthy people curate their circles. They join masterminds, attend conferences, and seek out people playing a bigger game. Millionaires love asymmetric bets. Small downside, huge upside. Starting a side business costs maybe $500 and some evenings. The upside? Financial freedom. The downside? You lose a few weekends. That's a bet worth making every time. One of the biggest traps is social. Friends and family often mock side hustles. Get a real job, they say. But that judgment is fear in disguise. They're afraid your ambition will expose their own complacency. A side income of $500 per month doesn't sound life-changing, but invested at 10% annually, it becomes over $1 million in 30 years. And that's without ever increasing the amount. The magic isn't the initial sum. It's the habit of generating multiple streams. Wealthy people organize income into 3 buckets: earned, your job; portfolio, investments; and passive, businesses or royalties. The goal is to shrink bucket 1 while growing buckets 2 and 3. Most people never fill buckets 2 and 3 at all. A practical first step: redirect 10% of your paycheck into an income-generating asset. Not a savings account, an asset. A course, a website, equipment for a service business. This forces your brain to see money as a tool, not just a reward. Here's the deeper truth. Escaping the paycheck trap requires an identity shift. You must stop seeing yourself as an employee who dabbles in business. Start seeing yourself as an entrepreneur who currently has a job. The language you use rewires your actions. Parkinson's law states that expenses rise to meet income. Get a raise, and suddenly you need a nicer car. This keeps you dependent on the paycheck, no matter how much you earn. Wealthy people break this law by capping lifestyle inflation and investing the surplus. A 6-figure salary feels like success. But if you spend it all, you're still one paycheck from zero. True wealth isn't income. It's assets that produce income without your labor. A $100,000 salary with no assets is just a fancier cage. Ask yourself, if you stopped working today, how long could you survive? Most Americans can't last a month. The wealthy measure freedom in years or indefinitely. That's the real metric, not your salary, your runway. Building income streams is boring. It's spreadsheets, late nights, and repetitive tasks. The wealthy embrace this boredom. Employees chase excitement, new gadgets, vacations, distractions. Boredom is the price of freedom. Kevin Kelly's concept: you don't need millions of customers. You need 1,000 true fans who will pay you $100 per year. That's $100,000 in income from a tiny, loyal audience. This is how creators escape the paycheck trap with a niche. The ultimate goal is to decouple income from time. Systems, employees, or software do the work. You own the asset. This sounds complex, but it starts simple. A digital product that sells while you sleep. That's your first taste of true leverage. Wealthy people fail more than employees because they try more things. Each failure teaches a lesson that a steady paycheck never will. The real risk isn't failing. It's never learning how to generate income independently. Many millionaires use early mornings to build assets before their day job starts. 1 hour a day invested in a side project equals 365 hours per year. Over 9 full work weeks. That's enough to launch a business while keeping your paycheck. A paycheck dies with you. Assets transfer to your children. The wealthy think generationally. They build things that outlast them. When you shift from earning to owning, you're not just changing your finances, you're changing your family's future. Remember the promise from the start. The paycheck is a psychological cage. Breaking free starts with one small income stream outside your job. That first stream is a domino. It proves the cage was never locked. So here's your exact escape. This week, identify one skill you can monetize. Next week, offer it to one person for $50. The week after, do it again. In 90 days, you'll have a second income stream and a mind that knows it can create wealth without permission.